It is so great coming to New Zealand because I get to hang out and look at stuff like this. This one, it's a tiny house. It's Cob, and I did the concept structural drawings for it a couple of years ago when Rosa was running a workshop on getting all of the structure up. And since then it's been basically finished, which is amazing. It ended up with a copper roof instead of a living roof, which is cool, wildly expensive, and unfortunately you don't really see it. You would see a living roof, but it's still pretty epic. If we go around the outside a little bit first, maybe. So the front door was there, and we'll get back to that. We've got a little awning here over the window that goes into the living room, and I've done some landscaping and a bit of a rock wall, which is super important if you're going to do a place. The feeling on the outside is just as important as the feeling on the inside, I think. They've got this steampunk style copper tank here, which is collecting water off the roof, and then a similarly styled lamp here for nighttime. Super cool. Brenton's been working on this one from Gaia Construction, I think maybe. He's painted all of these salvage windows the same colour, so you've got this nice continuity going on. We've got the classic kind of bottle walls, and we'll probably be able to see that feature on the inside better. This epic front door. And then as soon as we come inside, we see this flower of life, which was driving the design actually. And what Brenton's done is he's inlaid it, he's routed that design into the floor, and then he's inlaid it with power shells, which looks amazing. So, fireplace, a couple of niches here and here. This cute little, I don't know, hybrid kitchen bathroom sink kind of situation. It's basically a nightly rental with a place that's just across the way. Here's the bottle wall from the inside. So when the sun comes through, it looks beautiful. Got some geodes in the wall. We've got this pretty cool tanglewood kind of railing up there. So that's the loft. Got some nice stairs. And a pretty cozy little bedroom with this nice kind of vista heading out. So there it is. Super nice natural building. This stuff, there's something about natural building that's got a feel inside that's completely different to most tiny houses or any other building. I think what it is this cob or clay wall, the lime render, and the fact that it's curvilinear so the sound doesn't bounce around like other buildings. You can really just feel yourself in this room being way more grounded than a regular house. Anyways, I thought I'd show you, and it's also something I can keep for myself because it's really cool when I design something or help design something and then it comes through and it gets done. So yeah, take her easy.